I now cancel, collapse, and dissolve every contract, agreement, and energetic tie that was formed in confusion, fear, survival, or distortion. Anything that has had access to me without my full conscious consent is now revoked. Anything that has taken from me, fed on me, watched me, or interfered with my path loses access immediately. What is not mine is removed. What was taken is returned clean, whole, undistorted. My field is closed to manipulation. My life is closed to interference. Only what honors me remains. Signed on this day, July 2nd. And you're right. That feels good. Really good. And you know, I'm not going to have to say fuck everybody to get that done, you know? And I think that's also a part of my ikigai. My ikigai. I am the coolest, realest girl you know, and I'm so nice!